Welcome to our post-game press conference. Congratulations to the UP Fighting Maroons for beating the NU Bulldogs 89-62. The Fighting Maroons are now at 3-0. We have Coach Christian Watson and Mark Belmonte. Coach Christian, congratulations for this victory. It's 39 points and you dominated this game. So, how do you describe your team's performance tonight?
Well, definitely much better than the last game, no? You know, Coach Gold, he always talks about improvement. So, what comes with that is also in response to mga players. And after nung game namin nung last weekend, so we had the chance to regroup, to do some film viewing, obviously ng games namin and also yung ng NU. And it's all about the players responding. So today they responded in practices pa lang and tonight. So sana matuloy-tuloy.
Okay, Coach Christian, one of the players that responded is Mark Belmonte, who had 14 points, 3 rebounds, 2 assists, 1 steal, 1 block, and plus 29. So, Mark, ano masasabi mo na yun nga, nag-respond kayo after previous game niyo against UE? What can you say?
So, all about team. Nag-usap-usap kami ng team namin, like kung paano kami babawin kasi yung last game namin parang sama ng pagkatapos namin. Naging consistent lang kami hanggang matapos yung game.
Okay. The floor is open for questions.
Nabanggit ko ni Mark, maganda yung simula nyo ngayon, from the previous game. Yun nga, yung ending, was it something na parang in-emphasize nyo in the days leading up to this game?
For sure, for sure. It's always about the big picture for us, no? More than yung final result. Lagi sabi ni Coach Gold, it only takes 1 point to win. And whether you win by 27 or 30, pero kung hindi mo tatapusin ng maayos, so sometimes you would rather win by 1 point as long as every possession, defensive, offensive, was accounted for. I also want to point out we did a much better job of shooting free throws. I'm not sure what the stat was in the last game. I think it was like 17 out of 27 or more. So obviously tonight we shot the ball better, 20 of 26. But then again, it doesn't stop here. We still have to prepare for the next game this weekend, this Sunday against FU.
Coach, this is naging point of emphasis na in the past 2 games was your defensive lapses in some of those moments. So can you walk to us through yung defensive identity ngayon against any na parang nila and dominating fashion na holding into such a low amount of points?
Well, just like what I said in the last game, what to be expected against NU is that they will always, fight. Yan yung talagang, kumbaga, naging trademark ni Coach Jeff simula nung nasa juniors pa siya. So, pinaalala namin sa mga players that this team, in spite of yung unfortunate event na nangyari sa sa FSA nila, that's no reason for us to be overconfident, to relax. Especially tulad ng sabi ni Mark, especially after what happened the last game, especially in the second half against UE, talaga nag-usap-usap sila, led by si kapitan nila, si Jerry at si Maymay. Talagang diniin nila yung mga kailangan nilang tanggalin na habits, hindi lang on the defensive end to your question, but also on the offensive end. So yung disiplina namin on both ends, napaka-importante.
Given sobrang stack ng roster niyo, how do you stay ready para mag-contribute to 14 points on high efficiency? How do you stay ready lang na whenever called upon to score or do whatever for the people when they're ready?
Sabi lang sa akin lagi ni Coach Gold, being ready ako. Gagamitin man ako ready. Basta kung ano lang yung maitutulong ko sa team, pag pinasok ako, ibibigay ko yung best ko. Kasi ang lalim na ng roster namin. Kasi wala namang mawawala kung bibigay ko yung best ko, tapos makakatulong pa ako sa team.
Coach, can you just talk about yung development ni Neymar over the last seasons? Kasi talaga may parang mas overall game niya mas na-improve siya.
Alam mo, ang nakakatuwa dito kay Mark is that I'm not sure if a lot of people know, no, pero you could say that he's sort of like a late bloomer in terms of being in a systematic basketball type of way. You know, the skill, the talent, obviously is there. You know, he's long, he's athletic, he can shoot from the outside, and also yung defense niya. So, and yung naging adjustment niya, you know, the past few years, this is only his second season, naging malaking bagay para sa amin. Especially when, you know, knowing that Aldous Perculas was going to miss some games. No? This was his first time to see action tonight. So, malaking bagay sa amin yung pag-step up ni Mark at yung ibang mga players sa team tulad ng sinabi ni Mark. No? Obviously, lahat ng mga kasama niya from the first to the 16th player is capable of playing. So there's no reason for them to conserve energy when they're inside, but to just give their all.
Coach, ano lang, kasi yun nga, nabanggit na very starting roster ninyo. So I guess from a coaching standpoint, it's a good problem to have. Paano lang siguro minamanage yung, I guess, the rotations and situations, knowing na meron na yung level ng talent na meron.
Well, number one, tiwala, no? Yung tiwala ng coaches sa players and vice versa, tiwala ng players sa coaches, and that's something that, you know, does not happen overnight. No, obviously, a big factor to that is obviously yung leadership ni Coach Gon. Personally, I could also attest to that. You know, not only working with him, but also playing under him, for him, you know, 25, 30 years ago. So, if there's one thing, yung strength talaga ni Coach Gold bilang isang coach, is yung relationship niya sa players, yung relationship niya sa players on and off the floor. So, and a big part of any relationship, alam niyo naman, is tiwala. Di ba? So, yung tiwala nila kay Coach Gold, whether gagamitin sila na mahaba or hindi, tulad yun na nasabi mo kanina, staying ready tulad ni Mark at yung mga ibang players, napakalaking bagay no, every game.
Coach, you're playing FPU next Sunday. FPU is not only a heartbreaking loss again, you here but also against Angels. So, how we would do this, especially mahirap akalaban yung mga ganong teams na they're winners pero they're trying to work hard to get their first.
Exactly. You know, I think nakakatakot sa sinabi mo, heartbreaking eh. Minsan ang isang tao pag desperado at heartbroken, di ba? They go the extra mile. Nakatawa yung iba na may hugot. Di ba? Pero, di ba? I mean, yun eh. Tas kami, we're 3-0 tulad doon ang banggit nyo. It's really up to the team. You know? How we have a short-term memory after tonight. You know? After tonight, we could sort of like savor on this win for them. For us, coaches, iba yung buhay namin dyan. But, you know, yung goal namin, it's not, you know, it's not to win 4, 5. We want to win every game, yes, but at the same time, we want to, you know, put ourselves in a position to make it to the Final Four, and then make it to the finals, hopefully again, and then hopefully makabawi nga. You know, it's all about, for us, yung big picture para sa amin. So, definitely, we will not take FEU lightly.
Coming from what a few of you guys called a bad game last Saturday, where JD was the only one who scored double digits, what was your mindset going into this game, leading all of you to contribute a lot in this game, whether it be in points, defense, rebounds, etc.?
Isip ko lang yung ngayon kung ano yung matutulong ko talaga. Para maging consistent kami hanggang matapos yung game. Saka nag-isipan talaga namin na focus namin lahat ngayon kasi ang bangat talaga nung tapos ng game namin on Saturday. Inisip lang namin na kung paano kami babawi, kung paano kami magiging consistent.
Congratulations, Coach Christian.